High above, a pair of dark eyes follow our movements. Crows, often seen as mere background observers, possess a profound capacity that many underestimate. They don't just see the world around them, they actively process it, forming intricate mental maps not only of their territory but also of the beings that inhabit it. For humans, this means our interactions, however fleeting, can leave a lasting impression. This deep level of awareness sets the stage for a story of remarkable remembrance. For centuries, folklore has hinted at the intelligence of crows. Modern observations and studies confirm that their abilities go far beyond simple instinct. They exhibit complex problem-solving skills, use tools, and, perhaps most strikingly, demonstrate an extraordinary capacity for individual recognition. This isn't about discerning human from animal, it's about distinguishing one specific human face from another, a skill once thought to be unique to a select few species. To truly understand this phenomenon, scientists have devised clever ways to test crow cognition. One pivotal approach involves researchers interacting with crows while wearing distinct, memorable disguises. These controlled experiments allow for precise observation of how crows react to specific individuals, or the representations of those individuals, over extended periods. This method provides critical insights into the formation and duration of their remarkable social memories. Among the various masks employed, a striking caveman mask became a central figure in one renowned study. This particular mask wasn't chosen for its historical accuracy, but for its unique, consistent appearance. It served as a recognizable symbol, a visual marker that researchers could consistently present to the crows, allowing them to isolate and study the bird's reactions to specific human interactions, rather than variations in clothing or individual features. The initial encounters involving the caveman mask were designed to be memorable, though not necessarily pleasant, from a crow's perspective. Researchers wearing this mask would approach crow nests or trapping sites to ban the birds. This necessary scientific procedure, while harmless in the long run, was undoubtedly perceived as a threat by the wild crows. It established a clear, negative association between the caveman figure and an uncomfortable experience. From the very first interaction, crows began forming a powerful memory. The caveman mask, and the human wearing it, became synonymous with danger and disturbance. This isn't merely a fleeting reaction to a stressful event, it's the genesis of a long-term memory. The experience left a deep imprint, teaching the crows to associate that specific visual cue, the caveman mask, with an unpleasant intrusion into their lives and territories. The astonishing aspect of these studies emerged over time. Crows continued to react negatively to the caveman mask not just days or weeks later, but for years. Researchers, donning the same mask, were met with alarm calls and aggressive mobbing behavior, even when they posed no immediate threat. This persistent memory, spanning multiple years, underscores the depth and longevity of their individual recognition capabilities for humans. What is even more remarkable is how this memory spreads. It wasn't just the individual crows directly involved in the initial encounter that remembered, their companions and even new crows in the area learned to recognize the caveman mask as a threat. Crows communicate this vital information through alarm calls and specific behaviors, effectively teaching other members of their community who to avoid and who to fear. This shared knowledge culminates in collective mobbing. When a crow spots a perceived threat, such as the caveman mask, it alerts others. Soon, a chorus of calls fills the air, and multiple crows descend, swooping and cawing loudly, not to attack, but to harass and warn away the dangerous human. This coordinated effort serves as a powerful deterrent, demonstrating the strength of their shared, learned memory. The crow's recognition isn't merely about the mask itself, it often extends to the combination of the mask and the human behind it. Some studies suggest they can even generalize this recognition to similar facial features, applying their learned fear to individuals who resemble the original threat in some way. This indicates a sophisticated level of facial processing, rather than just a rote association with an inanimate object. Such intricate memory and social learning are supported by advanced neural structures. Crows, despite their relatively small size, possess disproportionately large nidopallium and mesopallium regions in their brains. These areas are known to be crucial for complex cognition, learning, and memory formation in birds. Their specialized brain architecture provides the physical foundation for their remarkable abilities to process and recall information about their environment. But crow memory is not solely reserved for negative encounters. Their capacity for recognition also extends to humans who bring positive interactions. Researchers wearing different, neutral masks, or even no masks, who consistently offered food or helped distressed crows, were remembered in a distinctly favorable light. These instances reveal the nuanced nature of their memory. It's not just about avoiding harm, but also about seeking beneficial relationships. Humans who consistently provide food, water, or even rescue injured crows often become recognized as trusted figures. These crows will approach such individuals without hesitation, sometimes even landing nearby or following them. This behavior suggests a learned association of safety and sustenance, built upon repeated positive experiences. The memory of these beneficial interactions can be just as strong and enduring as the memory of a threat. Over time, consistent positive interactions build a remarkable level of trust. Crows, typically wary of humans, will display less fear and more curiosity around those they remember as benign. This trust is not easily given, but, once earned, it can lead to unique connections, where individuals are singled out for special attention by an entire crow family or community. It underscores the profound impact of sustained human behavior. Perhaps one of the most intriguing discoveries is that this memory can extend to the offspring of the crows. Young crows observed with their parents learn to react similarly to remembered threats or benefactors. This implies a form of cultural transmission, where vital information about human identities is passed down through learned behavior within the community, reinforcing both caution and favor across generations. Crows don't just remember faces, they also associate specific locations with their interactions. A park bench where food is regularly left, or a building where a negative encounter occurred, can become integrated into their memory maps. This spatial recall enhances their ability to predict outcomes, knowing where to find help or where to exercise caution, further demonstrating their intricate understanding of their environment. This sophisticated memory for individual humans and their associated behaviors offers a clear advantage in a constantly changing world. By remembering who poses a threat and who provides resources, crows can significantly enhance their chances of survival. It allows them to navigate complex urban landscapes and human-dominated environments with greater efficiency and safety, demonstrating a remarkable adaptation to their surroundings. The extraordinary memory of crows means that our individual actions, however small, leave a lasting impression. A single act of kindness can foster a positive relationship that lasts for years, potentially across generations, while a negative interaction can create enduring distrust. It highlights the profound responsibility we hold in our interactions with the natural world, particularly with such perceptive and intelligent creatures. Understanding that crows remember us, not just as a species, but as distinct individuals, reshapes our perspective on these common birds. It urges us to approach them with a new level of awareness and respect. Every glance, every gesture, every interaction contributes to the intricate tapestry of their social memory, helping to define whether humanity is perceived as a friend or a foe in their complex world. Their memories are truly unforgettable.